Hi friends, today we are going to see a theorem which is in the chapter Similarity. That is the first theorem in your 10th standard. The name of the theorem is a basic proportionality theorem. It is in short called BPT. The statement is like that: if a line parallel to one side of the triangle intersects the other two sides in two different points, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio by it. Means a line, this line is parallel to the one side. It is a triangle, and this line is parallel to the one side and intersected to the other two sides in 2 points, that P and Q. Then that line divide the other two sides by equal ratio. It has to prove. Means AP divide PB equal to AQ divide QC. You have to prove. Understand? Means what is the that sentence, that statement only gives in the exam, and you have to you have to draw the figure as yourself and given to prove and proof. Look here, first a triangle ABC has been drawn. Then take any line, that is the PQ line, parallel to BC, and that P joins to C and Q joins to B. Look here, that is first given. What is the given? What is given? A parallel line in a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, that is line PQ, or it is called L here. Line L parallel to side BC. It is seen clearly in the figure U. And by looking figure, not to remember or memorize this, but only by seeing the figure, you have to write the theorem. That is a proof. First given, what we will write there? In a triangle ABC, line L parallel to BC, line intersect AB at point P and AC at point Q. Here, look here, in triangle ABC, line L parallel side BC and line L intersect to side AB in P and side to AC in Q. Look here. Okay, means from the figure, only observing the figure, you have to write given. What to prove? We have to prove AP divide PB and AQ divide QC. AP divide PB and AQ divide QC. It is, you have to prove here. Okay, then look here. Here one triangle first take, that is APQ, and here QPB. These are the two triangles you have to first take. And here, if you draw, that is the height, then it is obtuse angle triangle. So that height is also of that triangle and it is also of that triangle. Means both triangles of same height. And you have to know, that is the, if height is the same, then their areas in the proportion of the base, corresponding base. Therefore AP by PB. Look here, I have written here. Proof. In triangle APQ and triangle PBQ, APQ and PBQ, same height. Therefore area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB equal to base. Same height means base by base, means AP by PB here written. That is the first area in ratio of a base. Then another two triangle take. That triangle That is same triangle APQ, but take another triangle here. This is PQC. Here also if we draw that, that height here, then that height is also of that triangle and that triangle. So those are also similar height. The base divided by base means AQ by QC. Therefore, I have taken triangle APQ divided by PQC equal to AQ by QC. Equation 2. Same reason, area in ratio of base. But look here, those two triangles, triangle PBQ and PQC, are both triangles in a parallel line. And you have seen fourth point in the last video, that is the if two triangles in both in a parallel lines, then their height is the same, and here base also same, PQ, base same, height same, their ratio is equal to 1:1, means their areas are equal. Their areas must be equal. Therefore, look here, APQ same here, but PQB and PQC are the triangles in the parallel line, so they must be equal. Here I have written. But triangle PQB and triangle PQC having the same base, and they have the parallel lines, PQ parallel BC. Therefore, height is also same. Understand? I think you have to understand clearly. In parallel lines, if two triangles are, then their heights and base also same, then their areas are equal. Here also, look here, that base PQ is base of this triangle also, and PQ is a base of this triangle also, and height is same, so their area is equal. Therefore, I have written that PQB equal to PQC, and numerator really clearly same. Look here, and denominator we have written here equation 3 from 1 to 3, that is LHS equal to numerator same, denominator same, means LHS equal to LHS. LHS equal to LHS, that is area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB. Therefore, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. And therefore, LHS equal to same, and RHS equal to same. Therefore, AP equal to PB, AQ equal to QC, AP by PB, AQ by QC. This is proved. You have to prove that. You have to prove is the, look here. Understand? Very simple theorem. That is the first theorem. And simple way, look here. First take this area of this triangle divided by area of this triangle equal to this by this. First equation. This triangle divided by this triangle equal to AQ by QC. Equation 2. And write this triangle equal to this triangle, area of equal area, and therefore your proof. You have to remember this. Look here. By base, by BPT, that theorem is known as BPT. By studying this BPT theorem, we have to solve some examples. In a figure, PQ parallel, first example, look here, PQ parallel BC, and AP is 6, PB is 4, AQ is 3, and QC didn't know. You have to find QC and AC. Means if you find the QC, then if you take the addition of those two, you will get AC. Okay, that is the how to solve. Look here. Let PQ parallel BC, then that is you have studied that theorem already. If PQ parallel BC, then ratio AP divided by PB equal to AQ by QC. That is by BPT. Give reason by BPT. Therefore, 6 by 4 equal to 3 by QC. Cross multiplication. 6 into QC, 4 into 3, 12. QC equal to 12 by 6. Therefore, QC equal to 2. That is QC is 2. So AC that is AQ plus QC means 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Understand? Likewise, next example. Likewise, you have to homework. You have to work out home as a homework. That is homework. By similar method, you have to take PA by AQ, PB by BR value, put out the values and take cross multiplication. Here also LP by PM, LT by TN, put the values, take cross multiplication. Here also AP by PB, AE by EC, put the values, take cross multiplication. Here also BA by AT, AB by ER, put the values, take cross multiplication. Here also LP by PM equal to, that is NQ by NM, take cross multiplication. Here also PT by TQ, PU by UR, take put values, take cross multiplication. Here also AP by PB, AQ by QC, take put the values, take cross multiplication. Same, you have to solve 8 examples and quickly you have to send as early as possible up to tomorrow evening. If any problem, then call me. I will solve your difficulties. Okay. First you have to study and write that theorem on your notebook and then try to solve the examples. Okay. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy the geometry chapter, first chapter. Thank you.